Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Here with my company, Deck Restoration Plus. Got a few guys working on this cabin. The scope of this work is, it's actually a log cabin, but it's the veneer logs. Okay, so it's just the cover facing, but they rotted, and it's only been about 10 years, according to the homeowner. Somebody used coated deck screws in installing the log. So don't think they're stainless, because they shouldn't have done this, but they rusted. They rusted on the inside of the log where underneath, so it turned black and then rotted around where all the screws are. So we're replacing a lot of the veneer on this, and then we're going to restain it. We've also cleaned and already restored the railroad ties here around the whole house. And in these railroad ties, we actually cleaned it with our Deck Restoration Plus products. We used our Deck Restoration Plus Restore to remove the algae, mold, mildew, organic growth. Then we brightened it with our Deck Restoration Plus Brightener, and we added our Deck Restoration Plus Seneca Brown to the logs. And you can see it's like a lighter brown tone. Or I'm sorry, the railroad ties. Now on the logs, what we're doing right now, and you'll see this as we go around, we're doing the repairs. Then we're going to come back with Osborne brushes, because we've already stripped what we could off, all the loose material and so forth. Then we're going to go over with Osborne brushes. We'll show you that on the logs that are still there where they popped and peeled. So we're going to prep this to restain it. He's used a solid stain. He's used the Sherwin-Williams product, Super Deck, on this, and he wants to keep the same color and so forth that he chose for this before. So we're going to stick with that, but we do need to prep the logs, and that's what we're doing. So here we're going to take a walk around. We're going to look at some of the stuff we're doing here. And this is what we specialize in at Deck Restoration Plus. We are experts when it comes to log cabin restoration. We do everything from A to Z. When I mean A to Z, we'll replace logs, we do repairs, we do the restoration, we do the prepping, and we do a lot of stuff. We do media blasting on logs. Sometimes we will clean with water or strip with water. Sometimes we do this by hand. Sometimes we do it mechanical. We have quite a few different ways to restore log cabins, and it's going to depend on what the cabin needs at that time. So that's why we say we're the log cabin experts, because a lot of people in this area do not do this kind of stuff or have that scope when it comes to the cabins, as far as doing the repairs, doing the restoration, doing everything from A to Z. There are a lot of companies out there that do that. In my area though, not too much, and I'm in southern New Jersey. So if you're in southern New Jersey, you obviously want to call Deck Restoration Plus to get your log cabin done. And let's see why. Okay, here we are on the other side of the cabin, and you can see the repairs that we're doing. Now with the repairs, we're using stainless screws now. So we're trying, as we repair these, we're going to avoid what caused the problems in the past. And again, it was from using these coated deck screws behind these logs. This is where it's rotting from underneath. So this is a lot of logs to, even though the veneers, to be able to fix. So we're replacing those. Here again, we've already restored, cleaned this to prep it for restaining, but you can see there's chips and so forth. This is what we're going to use the Osborne brush in. There's other videos that we have posted of using the Osborne brush, and we'll do another video using Osborne brushes on this cabin. But Osborne is actually the brand name of it, O-S-B-O-R-N, and that's what we'll use on this to prep that. And then we'll get it ready to stain with the same color as I mentioned earlier. When we stain, we only use brush coat applications when it comes to this stuff. We're not using a sprayer, we're not using rollers, we're not doing anything like that. Everything is a brush coat application. And we use brushes that are just specific for what we're trying to do, that is productive and so forth. So this is what we're doing on this side. Any places up here, there's Tyvek, and wherever that Tyvek is, we're replacing and fixing some of that in some of the other areas, mostly where the roof edge has rotted and the water is wicked up. That's where we're making sure we have the Tyvek and everything secure. We're also adding some ice and water shield if we need that tool on the bottom, but we're doing the dormers and the roof edges as well. So this is another part of it, and we'll take a look around it some more. All right, here we are on the back side of the cabin, and as I alluded to, we got the color match coated deck screws that were used to install. Here's one of the boards that we took off, and you can see where the screws were, it actually rotted in those areas where the water ended up getting in. So these rotted, only 10 years old, so we're replacing those with new logs, as you can see, veneer logs. That's why I said veneer, this is what I meant. All right, and they're a full veneer. So when you look, you can see them on the house as we're replacing these now. You also see some of the areas where we've just taken some down, the guys are cutting them now. And then also when you look around the window trim, you'll see 2x4s. Usually when you see wood trim, they're usually 1x4. So we did 2x4s, and a lot of them are rotted where they're wicking up the water, especially at the bottom. So what we've done here is we use the pressure treated over the cedar or any of the fir or anything else. Just feel like that would last a little longer. And because we're going with a solid stain on it, so the solid stain is going to hide the material, so that if cedar doesn't match PT, it wouldn't. If we were to stain it something transparent, we wouldn't do this. But in this case, being a solid, that's why we're using the pressure treated. So you can see the repairs going on. You can see a lot going on. You can see some of the wear on the backside. Again, another reason why we are going to use the Osborne brushes to fully prep the entire house before we stain that. So that's it. I'm Everett Abrams from Deck Restoration Plus in Chemung, New Jersey. This is what we do. We do anything exterior wood, but we really specialize in log cabins. So hope to hear from you soon. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and look forward to the rest of this project.